How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. Well, I got a kind of a different video today. You know, I love living out in the semi-remote area of central Nova Scotia, although it's not very semi-remote anymore. It's certainly not remote. Semi-remote is even a stretch. But anyways, we're a ways away from civilization, and I like it that way. I'd like to get further if I could, but I can't. So anyways, this is what we do. And I've got an interesting little project that happens at least once a week. Sometimes I skip it in the wintertime because it's too cold, but today it's a nice day and it's garbage day, so we're going to put the garbage out. So here at the lake in the wintertime, we have to take our garbage way to the end of the lake road to put it out at the county road. That's about 1.5 kilometers away. In the summer though, the garbage collection guys, they come right down our lake road. But we don't like them to travel on our lake road in the winter because it's a big heavy truck, and with the frost in and out of the road, just cuts it up too much. So we relent and say we'll put it out at the end of the road. And the way I get my garbage to the end of the road is I take it with the ATV, the CanAm, and I put my trailer on the back, put the garbage can in the trailer, haul our way out. So that's kind of the upside of putting the garbage out. I get to ride the ATV for a little bit because I don't do that much anymore. So we're going to get the ATV out right now, going to get the garbage can out of the shop and put that in the trailer, and we're going to head out the road. So come on along. So there you go, putting the garbage out at the lake. One of the less glamorous jobs, but being able to drive the ATV makes it a little bit better. And just to show you that I'm the boss of what goes on here at the camp, Nanny doesn't have to tell me when to put the garbage out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Short little video. Sure hope you're having a good winter so far, folks. Stay safe, stay warm, have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.